Hi, here we are going to discuss about deleting a particular node from the doubly linked list. For that, we have to update in two links. So, for example, this is the given doubly linked list node number 1, 2, 3. So, A is the head node, C is the tail node. Suppose if you want to delete the two, node number 2, then we have to make updation in the next field of previous node and previous field of the next node previous field of next node. So that we can do by using the java code. So initially we have to pass the position. So the position may be a 3, position may be a 3, we will pass. Now we are checking head equal to null. If our list is empty, then the position 3 is not available. And if position is greater than the size, suppose my linked list size is only 2. Okay, linked list size is only with 2 nodes. If my size is 2 nodes, the position 3 is not available. That is the case. Either head equal to null or position greater than the size of the linked list, then that person is not available in the list. Otherwise, if my person equal to 1, if my person equal to 1, if I want, that means delete a node from the position 1. That means, so if I have the list like this is 101, 102, then head pointer is 101 and the tail pointer is 102. So now the next value of tail pointer null, previous field of head node is also null. Now if I want to delete the node number 1, that is equivalent to the deleting the node from first node of the double linked list, so beginning of the double linked list. So we are calling that method. Otherwise we can write the code simply that if this is the head, then head this link has to be broken, link has to be broken, and this link has to be broken. So third one is this link has to be established to the second node. So for that, what can we do here? Just we can write now what is the head dot next. Head dot next is 102. So head dot next is 102. Head dot next dot previous, head dot next dot previous field is this one. So we should make this as a null. So we have to make this as a null. Head dot next dot previous is null. Automatically this link is broken. Then what is the head now? Head should be updated. Yes, head dot next. What is the head dot next? Head dot next is 102. Head dot next is 102. This is the head dot next. So 102 is head dot next. So this link is created. So 101 is overwriting as 102. So 102 is assigned to head. So this link is created. So automatically this one is also deleted. So now entire node is deleted at the position number 1. This is the way. Otherwise, if my position equal to size, that means my list size is 2. My list size is 2. If my position also we are assuming 2. So 2 equal to 2 means, that means I am going to delete the node number 2. Node number 2 is the tail node. Node number 2 is the tail node. Okay, so node number 2 is the tail node here. That means the we are going to delete the tail node. So just we are calling the deleting end method. So what is the deleting end method? First we have to move into the last position of the node, last position of the node. So for that we have to create some temporary variable. Then you should check temporary dot next. So here you have to make temporary variable, then that will be assigned with the head. Then you should check while temporary dot, sorry, temporary dot next not equal to null. Temporary dot next equal to not equal to null. Okay, temporary dot next not equal to null. Then so this is the thing, so here which will have the address of this one. Okay, so if temporary not dot next not equal to null, temporary is updated by using the, that is we are moving the position one by one. Okay, so when you are doing this, the temporary is updated with this one. Now what is the temporary dot next? Temporary dot next is null. If temporary dot next is null, automatically it will come out of the loop. What we have to do now? The temporary dot previous. Okay, this is the temporary. Temporary dot previous is 100. The temporary dot previous dot next. Okay, this field has to make as a null. So temporary dot previous is 100 dot its field. Okay, so its field has to be make as a null. Okay, so now this is updated with null value. If it is made as a null value, then tail pointer should make this. So tail will become now the temporary dot previous. Temporary dot previous. So this is the way to delete the node at position equal to size. Position equal to size. Then otherwise, if my position is 3, okay, here my position is 3, then my list is having 4 nodes. Okay, just we will have like this. My list is having 4 nodes, and I want to delete at position number 3, right? So here we will made first head node 100, 101, 102, 103. So head node is the pointer value 100, so this is the head. Likewise tail, so tail is the 103. The next field of tail node is null. Then next field of first node is 101. Next field of 101 is 2. 102 next field is 103. Then previous field of 103 is 102. Previous field of 102 is 101. The previous field of 101 is 100. Okay, now what we have to do, we want to delete the node number 3. Node number 3. So for that we have to break this links. First we have to move into the third position. For that we are using the for loop. Iteration number 1, the here I am making as a current current is the head. So now iteration number 1, position is okay 1 less than 3. 1 less than 3, my position is 3. The condition is true. If condition is true, what we are doing, current is updating with current dot next. What is the current dot next? 101. First, now current value is 100. Okay, this 100 is updated with 101. So it is current is now 101. Then iteration number 2, I is incremented into 2 less than position is 3. Yeah, condition is true. Now again the current equal to current dot next is now, what is the current dot next now? 102. So current is updated with 102 previously, which is 101, right? So 102 is updated. So now the current is updated with the value 102. Okay, now again going back, iteration number 3 less than 3. So now condition is false, then it will come out of the loop. So now current node is 3. 3, right? So current node is 3, so this one has to be deleted. So for that we have to make the adjustment to first the current dot next dot previous. Okay, current is the this one, current dot next dot previous, this value has to be updated. Current dot next dot previous should be assigned with current dot previous, current dot previous. So current dot previous is 101. Okay, 101. So this link has to be established. So this link is established, so this is broken now. Then current dot previous, okay, current dot previous dot next, this position has to be established. Current dot previous dot next should be updated with current dot next 103. So this is updated with 103. So this is now, this link also broken, this is also broken. So this link is established, so automatically the node number 3 is deleted from the list. So this is the way to delete the node at particular position of doubly linked list. Thank you.